Welcome back to Innovin Foods. Today let's make something truly delicious, egg chicken snacks. Crispy, hearty and full of flavor. These rolls are perfect for your next tea time or party treat. Let's get started. In a pan, heat 2 tablespoons of oil. Add half cup chopped onion and 2 green chilies. This snacks combines 3 favorites, egg, chicken and crispy coating. It's inspired by Indian street-style egg rolls with a homemade twist. Now add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste and saute for a minute. Kids love these rolls because of the soft filling and crunchy texture. Now add 1 teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon salt, and half teaspoon garam masala powder. Add half cup boiled and shredded chicken. Two boiled mashed potatoes. Add some fresh coriander leaves. Mix everything well and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Set aside. Now for the dough. In a bowl, take 1 cup flour, half teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon oil. Add 1/3 cup water. Knead into a soft dough and rest for 10 minutes. Prepare flour slurry. Take 1/4 cup flour and half cup water. Mix well and keep aside. Take a portion of the dough, roll it out. Trim the edges and cut into long strips. Place the chicken potato mixture in the center. Make sure your filling is dry to prevent soggy rolls. Cool the filling before wrapping to avoid tearing the dough. Add a slice of boiled egg on top. Fold it as shown. You can also make mini version for party appetizer. Add more veggies to the filling for extra nutrition. You can air fry instead of deep frying for a lighter option. Seal the edges with flour slurry. Coat with breadcrumbs. Use fresh breadcrumbs for a crispier outer layer. Fry in medium heated oil for 7 to 8 minutes until golden brown. Keep oil at medium heat to ensure even cooking. Eggs and chicken add protein, keeping you fuller for longer. Homemade snacks help avoid extra preservative and additives. Your egg chicken snacks are ready to serve, hot and crispy. Have you ever tried making snacks with egg and chicken together? Would you like a baked version of this recipe? Comment your favorite tea time snack below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more snack ideas. Thanks for staying with Innoven Foods. Stay tuned for more delicious homemade recipe only on Innoven Foods. Until next time, stay happy and keep creating magic in your kitchen.